Find the standard form of the equation of the hyperbola with the given characteristics. So let's go ahead and draw some of this out to help us. Vertices are at 2, 3, and 2, -3. So what this is saying is that my hyperbola has to go like this. The other piece let's talk about is the center. The center has to be the midpoint of those, and the center of this hyperbola is going to be 2, 0. So I can start my equation because I know some of these things. I know that it's going to start with y, so y plus 0 squared. Then x will go next. X minus 2 squared equals 1. Now my goal is to figure out what goes underneath these two pieces. Well, I have a distance. This distance from here to here is the a distance. And in this case, a equals 3. So 3 squared is 9. I also have the point 2,5, which is right here, and 2, -5, which is right here, and that's my focus. The distance from the center to here is c, and c equals 5. So to find the remaining piece, we're going to use c squared equals a squared plus b squared and fill in what we know. 5 squared equals a, which is 3, plus b squared. So I have 25 equals 9 plus b squared. 16 equals b squared. Therefore, b equals 4. So this piece right here is b squared, which is 16. So my final solution should look like this. Y squared over 9 minus x minus 2 squared over 16 equals 1. There's my standard form of the hyperbola. This next piece here, let's draw out what we know. My vertices are at 1, 2, and at 1, -2, which means my center is right here at 1, 0. So I know that my equation has to go like this, which means my y has to come first. So I have y minus 0, or y squared over something, x minus 1 squared over something equals 1. Well, I know my a value, which is the distance from there to there, and a equals 2. So a squared is 2 squared, which is 4. My goal right now is to find this b squared. Well, I know I have a point, and a point is x, y. So let's go ahead and plug in x and y into my equation. So I have radical 5 squared over 4 equals, minus x is 0 minus 1 squared over b squared equals 1. Now I just have to solve for b. 5/4 minus 1 over b squared equals 1. When I subtract the 5/4 to the other side, I get -1 over b squared equals -1/4. Cross multiply, -4 equals -b squared, and b squared equals 4. Therefore, b equals 2. So if I'm plugging in for b squared, I would get 4. So my final solution of this equation is y squared over 4 minus x minus 1 squared over 4 equals 1.